Hi guys, let us discuss about conjunction today. A conjunction in English is a part of speech used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Conjunctions are essential for constructing coherent and meaningful sentences, and are used to indicate various kinds of relationships between the elements they connect. There are three primary types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. First one is coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal grammatical importance. For example, 4. I bought some ice cream for dessert. And I like tea, and he prefers coffee. Nor. Neither he nor she could attend the meeting. But. It's raining outside, but I forgot my umbrella. Or. Do you want pizza or pasta for dinner? Yet. The weather is bad, yet we're still going on the picnic. So. I was tired, so I decided to take a nap. Next one is subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions are used to join an independent clause, a complete sentence, with a dependent clause, an incomplete thought. They indicate the relationship between the two clauses and help create complex sentences. For example, although it's raining, I'll go for a run. Because I stayed home because I wasn't feeling well. If you study hard, you'll pass the exam. Since she arrived early, she got the best seat. When I'll call you when I get home. While she read a book while waiting for the bus. Next one is correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions come in pairs and work together to connect elements of equal importance. For example, either, or. You can either have cake or ice cream for dessert. Neither, nor. Neither the red shirt nor the blue one fits me. Both, and. He is both intelligent and hardworking. Not only, but also. She's not only a great singer, but also an excellent dancer. Whether, or. I don't know whether I should buy a car or a bike. See you in next session. Thank you.